I'm Michael Bell with Creative Wood Design. I'll be using VCarve Pro 12.509 today to show you how to add 3D text in your VCarve project. Okay, let's create a new file. For this demo, let's just make this 4 inches with 2 inches by 1/2 inch. The zero position, that'll all depend on what your project calls for, and your XY datum position will be the same according to what you're going to use in your project. Since we're working with 3D models, I'd go ahead and use a very high setting on the resolution and click OK. Alright, first thing, let's go ahead and add something to add the text to. Go to the clipart, go to ribbon and banners, and then select this ribbon number 9 and just drag it over into your project. Then go to your design tab. Let's resize this to fit in the project. Make it 3 3/4 inch. And hit apply. Then we'll center it in the project. Okay, we need to add text, so we're going to go over here and I'm going to use Arial Black for this demo, and we need to know what size our text is going to be. And if you determine that, I want it to go on the banner right in here. And this right here, 5500, we'll call it. So leave a 1/10 up here and a 1/10 down here. So 3500. So that's what we're going to use for the text type. Use a 0.35. We'll add some text in here. Perfect text for this demo. And move it up out of the way. And we need a curve for that to go on. So we'll go over here to draw art. We're going to use the 3 3-point. So 1, right here at the bottom, 2, and here 10 inches. 3. Okay, we can, it's a little bit off, so we can just center it. It's not that critical. We just need something to get that text on. So then we can go to edit and just move that point up a little bit. And we'll go back. Select text. We'll go to text on curve. And we want to resolve the curve, which it is. And like I said, to center it, we're going to put a 1/10 on the top and a 1/10 on the bottom. So 0.1 brings that up, centers it, and then you look at this, well, we've got overlap here, and we're pretty close in a few places, so we can go back to our text tool and go between the letters, and you can see the arrows. Oop. Okay, will bring them together. This will spread them out. That's what you want to do. Then you left click on your mouse and space it out to where you like it. Move into the next one. But when you're between the letters and get this cursor, then you can move your letter. Then you just space it out where it looks nice to you. It's easier to carve that way. Okay, we'll call it good. With that selected, we'll go over to components. Select the ribbon, right click on it to get the drop down menu, hit duplicate, and it'll give you another ribbon. Right click on that, go down to move to level, say new level, and we'll rename that level to 3D text. And then, like your text, go up here to the level name 3D text, right click, and the drop down menu, go down to clipping, and hit apply. Now if you go to your 3D view, you've got 3D text. Okay, if you want to adjust the height, you can double click and it'll give you these sliders, and you can make that text as tall or short as you want. And I'm thinking that's probably about right in there. Let's clean up here a little bit. Just get the banner. And that's how you add 3D text using VCarve Pro. I hope this helps you out in a future project. Thank you for watching.